गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल दिल्ली IAS। दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 15 और मेरा जो टारगेट है UPSC CSE 2024 उसके लिए प्रीलिम्स 26 मई 2024 और उसके लिए डेट रह रहे हैं बाकी 354 डेज़। ओके, तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं कि व्हाट विल बी माय टुडेज शेड्यूल, व्हाट आई विल डू एंड व्हाट आई विल अचीव टुडे, व्हाट इज़ माय टारगेट टुडे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। As you can see, it's 7th of June 2023 and time is morning 7:28 a.m. and yes, now here my schedule is divided. First of all friends, who आप में से जो भी कोई नए हैं इस चैनल पे, प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन आपसे मिस ना हो। और यस, इससे आपको एक कंसिस्टेंसी मिलती है। अगर आप किसी और को देखते हो ना कंटिन्यूसली कुछ चीज़ फॉलो करते हुए, तो आपके भी मन में मोटिवेशन जगता है कि हाँ भाई हम भी ये कर सकते हैं, तो हम भी कर सकते हैं। डेली अपना शेड्यूल बना के डेली उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स फाइन। So here, as you can see, my whole day is divided into 4 major study block. Study block 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so okay, first I will do from this 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. During this first study block, I will do study of GS2, and in GS2 topic will be bilateral, regional and global grouping. Okay, and this 9 to 10 a.m. Wait a second, let me save it. This event saved. Okay, 9 to 10, and second study block is from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. So basically I will repeat the same thing as above because it is not possible to complete the whole thing in just one study session. So I will just simply duplicate it from 11 to 12. That's fine. Okay, okay, now third study block is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Here I will do study of GS2 and the topic will be important international institutions, agencies. Okay, 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, that's fine. Let me just save it. This event I have saved. Now same thing I will do during my next study block, that is 3 to 4 p.m. Here let me paste GS2 important international institution from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, let me save it. It is saved now. So as you can see my 4 study block. Okay, that's fine. And yes, in between here my time start from morning 6:30 to 7:30, wake up, morning walk and newspaper if possible, and then from 8 to 9 7:30 to 8:30 is techniques training, whatever will be my technique I will do that thing. And 8 to 9, sorry, 7:30 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9 will be my breakfast. I hope I will complete it before 9. And this 10 to 11 is empty time. Here I will do 10 minutes micro learning. Here also I will do 10 minutes micro learning between from 2:15 to 2:30. Okay, and then here also I will do micro learning from 4:15 to 4:30 p.m. and okay, and the space as you can see between these study blocks, there I can do my remaining work. Okay, plus my breaks, small breaks of 15 minutes nearly. Yes, then 5 to 5:45 will be my evening tea break, and 5:45 to 6 English improvement. I am doing tenses right now. As you know that I am from Hindi medium, so it is necessary for me to improve my English. Date is 7 and 5:45 to 6. Let me save it. Okay, then from 6 to 8 this study block is this time block I have remain empty as buffer. Remaining thing I can do here. From 9 to 10 p.m. I will do retrieval, whatever I have read whole day I will do during this time. And from 10 to 11 p.m. I will do reflection on my day, or plus other thing, plus enjoyment, plus all other thing. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe the channel.